Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the blue sea dragon in Fish It Roblox. So this legendary fish is one of the most beautiful and hardest to hook in Fish It. And today I'm going to break down the exact location and the specific bait combo to get this one. So for the location, you need to go to the crystal depth first inside the pirate cove. This is a new area in the Fish It update. And for the bait combo and also the rod that I use, I'm using the element rod and the singularity bait in here. Okay, so this is the bait that I use. And for the location, I got it while I fish in this location in front of this crystals right here. So try it out and hope you're lucky to get the legendary blue sea dragon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.